of things to come. So we're walking across Okeechobee Boulevard, and that's the Hilton right there. And that's the way we go to work every day. And that's Rosemary Square behind us. So zoom back over to Hilton again. And that's our building right there. We're on that side, but we're gonna go in here.
Restoration Hardware.
This is the entrance to Restoration. Quite a place. Yeah, awesome place. You think you'd have all kinds of people hanging out. You know. Looks like it should have lots of people just playing and having fun. Yeah, no kidding. Restoration Hardware.